vandalizing that. But on the serious side, on a very large scale, that it is coming from the government of India is, it cannot get bigger than that, because the whole nation, the whole machinery is after it to make it that way. That is going to give us digital media to be able to get that. It's going to be backgrounded. We are at that.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for sharing your thoughts.
Thank you for being here.
Check this.
Move on inside. Go smile.
safe from petty crimes or street offences. Fourth, to maintain a quality homework. So that is also an important part of the police. Also, because this is the age of technology, in the age of technology, we delivery of services. Also, a number of other initiatives regarding awareness are very necessary. For example,
the women's rally from here to Churchgate. Vehicles out there all waiting to be driven by the girls, and hopefully we'll be able to. She's an avid auto enthusiast, and she drives a lot herself. Not all actresses do that. So thank you, Mandira, for being here. Really appreciate it. She was there when we launched the campaign. She's here to flag it off. Really appreciate her support. Then we have cops to work at, but thank you for being here. Very quick.
Care of others as well. So it's about everything. On the road, you need to take care of all the cars as well, all these things. So these are very small things which we generally, we just ignore maybe because we are in our own. Very good afternoon to all our friends from the media. It's nice to see you supporting this cause. I was here for the launch of Street Smart, Street Safe a couple of days ago. Week has gone by, and in this week, carpooling was encouraged, and I believe there was a great response to that. A lot of people did carpool over this week, sent in images supporting this, and I think it's a wonderful thing. I grew up going to school in a carpool, and it just means that many less cars on the road. I think it's a great initiative from the Mumbai Traffic Police and Top Gear to launch Street Smart, Street Safe. It's a great name, by the way, as well. And there are lots of other things that are coming up. Horn Not Okay Please, Traffic Angels, things like that. And I really would be keen to know how those get responded to as the days go by. And the thing that excites me the most, and I'm waiting for it to come on my system as well on the phone, is the app that has been launched, which has live Twitter updates. It's connected with Google Maps, and one gets to see traffic in real time. And it also has some very important bits of information as to what fine it is for what offence. People don't know that, and that will just, I think that will clean up the system completely. And it also has, especially for us women, a very important thing. In the case of any kind of emergency, it sends emergency alerts to 3 of your contacts with your last recorded location. So I think that will be very useful, and this safety rally that we're flagging off today is all to spread awareness for this fantastic initiative called Street Smart, Street Safe. I'm very happy to be here, and I wish you all the best for the remaining days as well.
Thank you, Manjura. The app she's talking about is Mumbai Space Traffic. It's available on Google App Store.
We are the one who are on the road all the time, and we keep on seeing a lot of issues on the road, whether it is accident, whether it is congestion, whether it is rash driving, whether it is unsafe driving, whether it is illegal parking. So the long-term solution lies in creating that awareness. For example, if you go to London or any other place, you will find vehicles parked here and there. It's not that there is not necessity there for people to park immediately and jump off to office or go to office, but that citizen consciousness comes. You have to park in the designated parking lots only. You have to drive safely. You have to abide by the traffic laws because they are for your safety and they are the safety for others. Also, because they are competitive road users in terms of pedestrians, in terms of motorists, in terms of other users, transport route and other people, we have to allocate our resources in such a fashion that everybody reaches to his destination in the shortest possible time safely, and he has a space to park his vehicle so that he does not come in the way of other people. Also, women's safety is a very important thing because you see a lot of focus, a lot of issues, a lot of things have taken place in Mumbai police regarding women's safety in last 3 years. We have classifying the places which are not well lit, which may be hazardous, and we have taken steps for that also. A lot of ground level work with women organizations, self-help groups, NGOs are taking place. This is a very good initiative.